बोलो। अरे कुछ भी बोल दो, मुझे उसका मतलब नहीं है।
Yes.
Did it come back?
Oh.
Now you have opportunity to speak.
You have to start.
Offline.
Who got the
Offline.
Okay, okay.
Offline education. We are favoring offline education.
But first of all, tell me, can we use ChatGPT during the debate or not?
No. May I have your attention, please?
Please, because
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, are you all ready for the debate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hey everyone, today we are going to debate on the topic which is online versus offline education. And they are choosing offline education, and obviously you have no option. So, we are going to do debate. Let's see what will be the result. Let's see. Who is going to start first?
Okay, I'm going to start first. First of all, good morning, good afternoon, respected teachers, and good afternoon, my panelists. So, my name is Mohammad Farhan, and I'm doing BSc right now. This is my final year and last semester. Okay. So here I'm standing here and supporting online system, online education. I'm not in the against of offline system, but I am against in the offline system as well, because there are some reasons why I am speaking in the favor of online and why I am speaking against the offline. There is a reason. For example, in the offline system, you will get only one teacher for one subject. Okay.
Okay.
For example, in my school when I was in ninth standard, so there was only one teacher for biology, but I can't understand that subject. I went to principal and I said to
Little
principal,
louder. They are
I went to principal and I said to principal, please change my teacher. I can't understand them. So teacher said, you have to adjust. It means in offline we have to adjust. If we can't understand, we have to adjust. There is no other option. So you have two options then. Either you go, you take off personal coaching to someone, or either you go online. So there are only two options. For example, if I belong to a poor background, I can't afford personal coaching. So either I have to go online or either I have to take personal coaching. But I have no money. How can I take? So it means in biology subject, my base will be weak. Somewhere, for example, if I want to crack NEET exam, in which biology is very strong subject, and I think it scores around 360 marks, just a single subject biology. 360 marks, I think right, Fahan bhai?
yes.
360 marks. And there are total 180 question, in which physics, I think 45 from physics and
Summarize it.
45 from physics and 45 from chemistry, but 90 question only single subject biology contains. It means 360 questions. So how can I crack that NEET exam if I am doing offline? And many villages area, schools, condition of schools are not good, even the teachers are not good. I have come across a lot of videos on Instagram, and in which the teacher who is uh, teaching students in village area, even they don't know the meaning, spelling of the English. English, they something spell like this, English. So what will happen with those students? Because in India, I think there are around 140 crore people, and majority of them belong to poor. Okay. So I think that online offline system creates inequality. It is not accessible to everyone. It is not affordable to everyone. So this is my questions to those who are strongly supporting offline system. So that's my question. Okay, thank you so much for everyone.
Thank you so much, everyone, for everyone. Okay, start with you.
Okay, so as he said that there are very less teacher in in offline coaching or in schools, but I think offline education is better than online education, because in online educations many students get lazy, they don't study well, and as you are saying that many people are poor in India, so I disagree with I agree with that people are poor in India, but online education is not cheap. Offline education you can get a teacher that takes less fees, but in online education you can get one or two videos free of some teachers, but if you want to teach the whole subject. You have to buy their courses, and that are more expensive than the offline teacher. Offline teacher will teach you in 1,000 or 1,500 rupees per month, but that online classes will take too much money for that subject. As you said, bio, so science is too costly in online. So that's my point. I'm good. I think you have not met the correct teacher. So you should have searched for the good teacher. Teachers are good in offline as well, and that's my point.
Giving you chance. So first of all, brother, you are a very good brother, and you didn't answer me. Like you didn't any answer. Like the questions I raised, I didn't get answer. For example, you said you have to search good teachers. As I said, in villages area, teachers are not good. It means we have to search. We have to go like in the city. I am very poor. I cannot go in city. If I am going in city, I have to live there, and for that, you know, require money. पैसे की जरूरत होती है, require money, but we don't have money. So what we will do? Because I know best teacher exist. There are a lot of best teachers exist, but their fees is not affordable for poor people. First of all, and you said in 1,500 rupees you will get coaching, but that 1,500 rupees is just for 1 month, brother. And in online you can crack NEET exam at just cost of 4,000 rupees for the whole year, not for 1 month. If I want to crack NEET exam and if I want to go offline, I am very poor, I am broke. Okay, so and the you know very well that the fees of the offline coaching institute like Kota and many other institutes are not less. I think it's in lakhs or in thousands. So what will happen with those students? This is my question.
Yes, Harshit. You want to say something?
I want to add one thing, as he said. You said more expensive online education. Not a lot of courses are free. You can learn. How can you say more expensive?
Even my name is good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammad Faizan. As you said, online courses are more expensive. I want to show you. I want to tell you something. If you want to crack NEET exam or any competitive exam, you can get free access of all the lectures on YouTube. There's all lectures available on YouTube free of cost, and you can get best teacher on YouTube. And if you want to prepare, if you want to buy batch, you can buy batch only in 4,000. But I want to crack the NEET exam, I have to go in Kota or in somewhere else, and I have to pay 1 lakh plus. This is as compared to offline, 4,000 are very minimum price, I think.
Should I?
Yes, please.
Right now. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sayyada Tathir Rezavi. I am pursuing graduation, BCom semester second. So I am here and I am against of online education system. I am not saying that online education system is not for us. I am not saying that. It is for us. It is happening in society, and majority are following online sessions, online classes. I am not against of that, and I am respecting all of the against team. So the first point is firstly I want to cut all of you that you are saying that online education is cheap. Like he gave us an example of 4,000. Can I ask you one thing? Do you know 90% people of India are living in poverty? They are earning 10k or 20k per month, and how you can say that they can afford 4,000 rupee coaching? Listen me clear it first. That was the reply of your words. Now I want to add my points in this discussion. The first one is discipline. What about discipline? The social anxiety that is surrounding by people, that is surrounding by youths, just because they are having online classes. They don't know how to interact with people. They are unable to speak with others. And we don't know the real ability of each student. Like I am capable of doing something better, but I am not getting opportunity to cause just because there is many things that are happening online that they can cheat easily in online classes. As you know that at COVID time, many of the students, they don't know how to speak, they don't know how to do anything, they know nothing, but still they get scored by 95, 96. How is it possible? Uh,
Let her complete first.
Can I complete first?
Yes.
Sure, thank you. So, as I said, all the things, and the real ability is not real ability can't be shown by students. Like I am capable of something, but in online classes, many students cheats in exam. And if someone says that offline education is a higher paid courses, there is nothing like that in today's era. In today's time, there is many doctors are just pursued their doctor MBA courses through government colleges. Even the person whose father is living abroad, they are earning so much good, but still they are taking help from government colleges, and they are the supporters, government supporting them. If we see that offline education system is not good, then we are wrong here. I am not saying that online education system is bad. I am not in war of with my against team. I am respecting all of them, but these are my points, and now you can speak. Thank you all of you.
First, you raise your theory. Many parents are earning 20K or 10K. So you proved me. You proved indirectly. You proved me. I am right because many parents are earning 20K or 10K. If they can't afford 4,000, how will they afford 1 lakh in offline?
But I just tell about government colleges.
No, I'm considering I want to prepare for competitive exam.
Yeah.
Now you tell me, if a person can't afford 4,000,
If everyone is saying that we are taking help from online sessions, then what about the books that we have? What about the libraries? Government libraries there is many places that you can get many books. How you can say that you
No,
can
no,
only
I'm
get a
talking
classes through online?
I'm talking about courses.
If you want someone that teaches you well, you have to go outside and research on it. Where is the offline institute and who is providing you cheaper classes?
Yes.
So my point is that if
Yes.
there is
There is an online platform which gives there is an online platform YouTube where the most educated teachers are teaching their children
so
and they score best.
as you are saying, can you give me mic?
Please take.
So as you are saying that there is cheaper classes online, I agree
Free
with
of
you.
cost. It's a free of cost.
I agree with you. I don't want to deny you because it's happening. Majority is following everything.
See, you are saying that YouTube you can get free videos. See, YouTube is just a trap. They are uploading just 1 or 2 videos. Rest of the course they upload it on their websites and they ask money for that.
No.
You buy a subscription, then they sell you the course.
You are not
that amount.
No. There is a lot of person who studied with the YouTube and they score well in
Give
it.
me
courses
mic,
are
give me
never
mic. I have a
available.
good point. Do anyone have a reply of people interaction?
I have all of that in this way.
Yeah, give me a reply and I will give you back.
First of all, I'm replying 10 to the person, the family who is earning 10 to 1,000 rupees. They can't afford 4,000 rupees coaching. So, firstly, I want to know to you
Yeah.
that a family who is earning 10 to 1,000 rupees per month,
Yeah.
if they can't afford 4,000 rupees, so how they can afford offline courses? For example, if you mentioned many colleges, many hospitals are there, or blah, blah, I don't know anything. You just give me the example of that institute that provide in very free cost.
So you want example?
Yes, I just
have a
want
great
example. Yes, just,
Even I
please.
got
Okay.
I personally done by with that example.
Yes.
So as he's saying that blah blah, so I have a wala. So
Yeah,
I
okay.
have a reply.
Okay.
I want everyone's attention.
Yeah.
There is everyone hears the name of scholarship.
Okay.
Scholarship is everywhere.
Okay.
Even there is a Kalbi Sadat, I am Shia. So I am telling you that there is a college.
Hmm.
That name is Unity.
Unity.
and they are providing best facilities to students in free. If you are asking for example, I have many options. I have many. Even I am not just a student of mother's school. I am also studying in madrasa. They tells me how to interact with people, how to handle social anxiety, how to handle criticism. If you are seeing that these are things payable, no, they are not payable. They are giving us everything in free. If you are saying that they can't afford 1 lakh, Unity giving us many opportunities. There are law department, there are accounting department, there is many doctors, and this is not from sofa. If you say that I have many example, not just if even though if you want to study abroad and you are capable enough to do anything, like you are a good student, so many government colleges provides you the facility of scholarship. You can even go to abroad by the scholarship. That's my point.
Okay, so now listen to me.
Yeah, I am here to listen.
Giving you scenario.
Okay. Now,
You-
anyone else speak? I will
Yes,
not.
yes. Just please listen to me.
Uncle wants.
Please you listen to me. You raised a question and I'm trying to give answer by asking a question. Actually, she raised a question. She raised a question. She raised a very good question.
Yeah.
And now I want to answer.
Yeah.
And the answer is that I will answer you by asking a question. Many people living in villages area. Okay. So first of all, they have to appear in first class, second class, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on, 12th class. But the teachers are not good there. So what will happen with their base? And if their base is weak, they can't qualify scholarship, like they can't get scholarship. So what will happen with those? I'm talking about majority, not minority.
So I have a reply of this also. Sorry to say, but as you are saying about base,
Hmm.
so let me tell you one thing very clear. Firstly, if we take a admission, do you heard about playgroup?
Playgroup. I don't know about playgroup. What is
So,
playgroup?
let me make you all clear what is the meaning of playgroup.
Okay.
Playgroup is a course that for the children's like 2 or 3 years.
Hmm.
They know if I am going somewhere, I want to prepare first. There is a offline opportunity. You can go to playgroup and you just make your habit to sit there. There is a opportunity.
First of all, I didn't understand what is playgroup.
So kindergarten.
Kindergarten, yeah, I know. Kindergarten system.
Just
So-
KG.
Let me complete first.
Okay.
After that, you can raise your voice.
Okay.
I don't want someone that cut me short. Okay.
Okay.
Let me complete my
Okay.
words first. So
Actually, you were cutting at that time. That is why I'm cutting you this time.
don't mind. Don't mind.
Okay,
Take it as
okay.
a.
No. I'm just telling you. You said no, you don't like. Actually, you cut at that time. That's why I'm cutting you this time.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for
Okay.
correcting me. I am not
Okay,
in competition. of
okay,
you.
okay.
So, playgroup. What is playgroup?
Yes.
Playgroup is just made for the students that want to enter in school. If you start your playgroup online, they don't teach you discipline. They teach you, but how you are able to do. We all want a good mentor. We all want a good parents. We all want a good teacher, and the interaction that interaction is very important. If there is no interaction, children knows how to sit in school, how to eat lunch at time, how to speak with elders. There is many things that are happening in playgroup, that are teaching in playgroup, so the students, the children are able to go to schools. So this is my point. If you are seeing that the base is just can be made by online courses, so it is not. If you are telling about base, so that our first teacher, our first mentor is our parents. Their guidance, their support, their constant support is matter to us every level of our life. If you are saying that the base will be ruined by offline, so the base will be made by offline. I think just made by offline. You can't say that the base is created by online. Thank you.
Parents make their best.
No, I am not talking
Ah.
just about parents.
Hmm.
I am talking about the playgroup.
First-
If you have any reply for
First
it,
first of
please
all,
then tell me.
please ma'am, make me understand playgroup. I didn't get playgroup.
Make her clear. Make him clear.
It is in Kidsy.
Kidsy.
Yes, it is for. It is
Anganwadi.
No, no, no,
It's a school.
Kidsy.
It's a school or which is it's any institution.
स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं उससे पहले Kidsy ऐसे भेजा जाता है
जो
जो स्कूल डायरेक्ट नहीं
हाँ।
भेजते तो छोटे
हाँ, हाँ।
बच्चों को उनको पहले वहाँ भेजा जाता है स्कूल
तो हमारे गांव में तो कुछ है ही नहीं।
Excuse me, playgroup are for toddlers.
और भी तो मिल सकते हो
नहीं मुझे इसी के जवाब देना है। मुझे पहले प्लेग्रुप समझना है, तभी तो मैं जवाब दे पाऊंगा। है आंगनवाड़ी कुछ नहीं मेरे गांव में।
I am going to.
Playgroup, I think बच्चों
I
को
am
एक
now you
क्लास
will
आता है, then उसके बाद
Take my voice. Now you.
नहीं
वो प्लेग्रुप हर जगह है क्या? स्लम एरिया में प्लेग्रुप?
Good afternoon, everyone. I want say about me. I am Hashim Rizvi, and I am a teacher. You know, I was before in Unity College, moral science and theology teacher. This time, that time, I don't.
Let him.
Oh, okay. I want to say that you are saying a play group about physical interaction and environment. If you are saying starting first, I want to ask about what you understanding about online and online learning and online study. What you understanding? First, say that. Yeah, and in your team, anybody can say. ऐसे सवाल खड़ा करो ऐसे तो you should ask. Yeah, what you understand in your team? Yeah. Start.
Can you ask again?
Yeah. What you understand? By the online system? No. Yeah.
See, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
As you are saying, see, first my point is
No problem. Here is equal everybody. Okay.
you are.
Yeah, I am comfortable. No problem. Yeah.
Bro, my point is that in offline education, I think the doubts of the students are getting cleared easily. In online education, students' doubts are not getting cleared easily. And
First, you answer only one thing.
Yeah, bro.
What you understand
about what?
about learning study?
About education, na?
Yeah. Learning education. Education. Yeah. Online education.
Bro,
Yeah.
online education
Yeah.
is just teachers will come and give you a class and they leave. That's it.
As she said,
Yeah.
everything. Yeah. As you said, everything you can take from the online. No. You only learn by the online. After that, you can interact with your friend, you with your everybody, classmate, and everywhere you can go. Not take along on learning every time 24 hours. You be on online. No, not me. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
You are right at some points. I am not declining your words because you
Yeah.
are speaking. You speaks good. Your point was good.
Thank you. Sir.
If anyone wants to learn something, they just don't grab it and they don't imply just by learning. They interact with teachers. If I am learning something new, so I will ask my parent that it is right or it is not.
Yeah.
You are talking about youths. You are not talking about childrens. The children that are ruined by online platforms, and they are getting. If you are, we are just talking about teaching. Okay.
Yeah.
It is right that we are talking about just teaching. So many of the students that are not able to interact with their parents, they seek help just from online sources, and that is not enough sometime. If you are seeing that everyone is able to interact with others, then it is not happened. And the main reason of I just hate online system, it's my personal opinion, that the people interaction, social anxiety occurs, and that kills many of students and they ruin their life, and they are showing that everything can be easily achieved, but there is nothing like that.
Yeah, I know, but everything is harmful. As you said, if you be 24 hours or a lot of time you spend on the online, it will be happen. If you use for limited time, not will happen. You said
Everyone is not sensible.
limited time, only learning
Screen time.
You-
He's talking
yeah,
about screen
limited
time.
and learning time. Yeah.
What's the doubt? He asked the question on doubt.
I will speak first, then I get back.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Ayan. So I want to ask you a question. If you are learning online education, then you have any doubt, and how will you ask to online teacher? There are studying millions of students there, and in offline there are 10-15 students. You can ask him directly on that time, and in online education it takes time. Yeah, doubts are not getting clear in the online.
In online education, the doubts supporting system is
No,
24/7.
if you still don't get answer,
Use Google, then why are you in that class if your doubts are not getting?
you have to purchase the course. You have to purchase.
If you purchase that course and the problem you raise, it will be solved by the teacher.
No, you
24/7.
But for
in
that you
offline
have
it
to
will be not.
purchase. You have to purchase that course.
Guys, it's
If we are if we are talking about free online education, there is no this service.
I think it is available.
No, that is, and if you still don't get your answer, then how will you? And in offline education, the teacher knows how to explain you, and in online, the teacher
But you
doesn't
will
know
wait
you.
for the next day now.
No, why?
That's the mean.
Why to wait if you want to know the answer on
The
that
study time will be over. The school will not open 24 by
No, no.
24/7.
But the teacher will clear your doubt on
Online
that time.
education will help you to find your answer, but not in offline. There is a many way. There is a many source. There is a many source where you can search and find the answer. But in offline you can't, because you don't know the actual problem and not understand the question. How you may solve the question?
No, you can ask your offline teacher.
The school teacher will teach you. The school will close at 2 o'clock.
No, you ask at the school time.
Then after at 5 o'clock you will study, and how
Yeah.
You can ask at the school time.
My name is Sonam. So I want to cut your point. What is your name? Ayan. Ayan's point. He says, please repeat question. Please repeat your question again.
If you want to ask any doubt
Yes.
in online, you can't get answer.
In online education, we can ask easily. We can clear our doubts by raising the chats. Okay, and using the help of AI, Chat GPT, Google, and any type of other apps, we can and during the class, during the online, when teacher is teaching the student, so we can ask our doubt, we can ask our question by raising the chats. For example, just we ask, I want to ask anything to my friend. Okay, so I can send a message to him. So just like that, we can.
Online system.
Yeah, it is the online system. We can during class we can clear our doubts by raising the chats. This is the benefit of online education.
Anybody have answer?
Yeah, I have. So, as she is saying about AI, as we all are aware of AI, what is AI? Artificial intelligence. So, I am also using AI, and I am also, at some point, I am also dependent on AI. But if she is saying that the students are able to ask in chats what will be the answer, what will be the question, I am here to ask you one thing, that in online education system there is a lack of learners. Do you know? There is a lack of learners. Everyone thinks that if we want to learn something, we can get just we can type a message on any AI tool app and I get an answer. They are ruining our minds. They are not. We are not able. We are just puppets of them. We are just thinking. Let me complete first. Let me complete first. You can speak.
Okay.
You can speak. So they are making us puppets. We are not using our minds. Where is the mathematicians? Everyone is seeking help. Everyone is seeking help from AI. Everyone is dependent to AI. Where is our IQ? Why our IQ is decreasing day by day? We are youth. We are the future of next generation. We are the future of what we are. No religion teach us to dependent on machines. I can say in my language, I am taking help from machines is good, is okay. But if something is ruining your mental health, then it is not good. If you are talking about of online education system, then many of the students are getting, they are not preparing assignments by themselves. They are not preparing presentation by themselves. They are just typing up. They write a prompt. I want a presentation on a particular subject, and I want this. Even I ordered. I am telling you all. Even I ordered to Claude that I want a presentation, and I am doing job. I don't have enough time to go to school, to go to college. So how you can say that online education system or AI is better? I am saying that AI is good. But if someone sees that being, if I can ask chats, I can ask easily online, then they are just ruining our mind. We are not able to think. Our ability of thinking is ruined by AI tools. And the first, I want to add my team's point. The thing is fear of failure. How to overcome the fear of failure? If we are seeking knowledge just by online platforms, then how we are able to overcome of fear of failure? If we get less marks in schools or colleges, then everyone criticizes us that Tathir was a good student. She get 95% last year now, but she's getting just 90%. They criticize me. So I get, oh, now I have to improve because I am interacting with people. I am not getting anything personal. I am taking everything as a command, not as a order. There is a lack of discipline in youth just because of online education, and I have examples. I will prove it by example. Thank you. If anyone wants an example, then I can give an example also. Thank you.
No, I have. I have.
Sorry, I am zone out. Is it
You
good?
you raised an outstanding query. Okay.
Thank you.
Now I want to answer one by one.
Okay.
First of all, she said, if I am using online, I'll be dependent. Okay, suppose you are and taking knowledge from the offline. You have a doubt. What will you do then? Just answer me.
Give me mic. As you are saying that how I will get answer of my question offline.
Hmm.
So let me clear you one thing. I am living in India. I am
Okay.
living with my family, and
Okay.
I have elders. They are not illiterate. They
Okay.
know the meanings of everything.
Okay.
Firstly, I have a library in my house also. I can seek knowledge from them. If you are saying that
Like-
being independent on Claude, being independent on AI tools just to give instant answers, we just are used to, or we are going to habitual of that. That's
you
it.
you are not giving me answer. I
Yeah.
said if you
I
come
said
across
I will take it.
if
I
you
will
come no if you come across any dot, how will you solve that dot? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. If you come across any dot,
Yeah.
how will you solve that dot? Just answer me. What will you do?
Where
Will you
will our teacher
Hmm.
that I am?
So you will ask to the teacher.
Yeah.
It means you are dependent on the teacher.
So
No. I'm dependent on AI. You are dependent on teacher. That's same, similar.
let
Yes.
me clear one thing.
Depend is teamwork. No one by one. Why you are one?
Yeah.
Another person.
सभी का Ishan bhai. Yeah, you are right. They don't want how I can.
I have a question that
Yes, right.
I have a small question there, and this is right 100%. Nobody can deny that. Without offline education, nobody can understand online education. So offline is a must. Without offline, nobody can understand online education. If you are not agree, then why the people are going to class and teaching?
I have answer for
English?
that as
Then
well.
you can join the online classes. No need to join the this organization.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I have answer for that, but I will answer later. First of all, I want to know. You are asking the doubt to the teacher. You are asking the doubt to the teacher. I am asking the doubt to the AI. No, no. Okay, you are actually you raise the question, not your team. You raise the question. You are solving your doubt by asking your teacher, and I am solving my doubt by asking from AI. This is similar. You are also dependent. I am also dependent. So how? How it is not similar?
See, in offline education, first of all, let me tell you about you are saying that you can directly in online education, if a children or student is unable to solve something, he ask everything to AI, like small things that he can do by himself. Still, they ask ChatGPT, what is this answer? What is
Okay.
I can do in this situation? But
Okay.
in offline education, students try to solve themselves. They use their mind. But in online education, they are not using their mind. They are just sitting and ask ChatGPT, what is this the answer of this? They get the answer, they copy and just they don't learn.
Okay, I got your I got your point.
Yeah.
You actually said first of all we try to solve by our own.
Yeah.
Then we go to the teacher. No, 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 no. First of all, let me answer. First of all, let me answer. Then you ask. First of all, let me answer. First of all, let me answer. I don't like if a person cut to me.
It's
So
okay.
please. He said first of all he tries to solve the question. Then he goes to the teacher.
It's fine.
He said actually the person who asking question I will adapt to that. No. He's he no. This is my style. He said first of all he tries to solve himself by our own. Then he goes to the teacher. This is option we have also. This is option we are, yes we have option this. For example, first of all we try to solve the question by our own. Then we take the help from the AI. Then we take help from the AI, because many students in offline as well don't try to solve by our own. They go to the teacher direct. So that's my answer.
If you use AI, you use internet, and you can also get distracted easily. You can go any other website,
Okay.
social media, and there is a study that it shows that using AI in last 2 years, the human intelligence decreases by 60%. Only usage of AI.
Okay, I got your problem. So firstly tell me.
If the diseases are maybe okay, why the government is promoting AI, and it also
Because it's government
what
Benefit.
because it government benefit.
there
They
is
get
no
money. Yes,
you
they
learn for yourself, not your parents, not for government. The AI is important for us. That's why the government take action to.
government it's government takes money from those AI companies.
No. You are wrong.
Yes.
This time you are wrong.
No.
Make him right.
Yeah. No.
Make him right then.
Make me right.
Yeah.
Why,
make
why
him right.
government is
Why?
promoting AI?
Yeah,
If the AI is bad, I'm asking just this question.
Why then why
Why government is promoting AI?
then why
If you
then why
have a
tobacco
problem with the
and
AI,
cigarette are there in India?
how you may familiar with the technology if you don't know how to use it? It will be difficult for you in future. Then if you are not okay, every data will be shared to other country.
Yeah.
Even your
Your
phone,
data is getting
even
sold.
even your phone will be also. It is not about the education and other things.
If you say AI and online system is not enough. Why government are saying paperless system? What is the answer for that?
Then why tobacco and cigarettes are not banned in India?
That's great, but here, yeah.
No, no, he's
trying to say it means government is supporting
yes.
So
Government-
tobacco has just harmful effect, no benefit, but AI has benefit as well as harmful effect. That is why government promoting this.
No,
Got it
I'm
na?
answering that.
If a mobile has advantages, this it also has some disadvantage. That doesn't mean we have to ban all the mobile. That doesn't mean we have to ban all the mobile. If something, everything has
Sir,
some.
firstly, I want other person from his team. That's it. That's enough. Uncle, we want a debate of team.
So please debate.
If
First,
listen me first, everyone. If he speaks, then from my team, just I will speak. If this is one by one,
please pull it up. Please pull it up. First.
Heather bhai, Ishan bhai, सभी का.
I don't need mic. Pass.
So okay, now it's a competition.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. So I am Sabika Zairan and I graduated and I stand to support offline education is better than online education. Because while technology has its own place, but nothing replaces the value of real. Online education only teaches how to pass the exam. But in offline education, you can attract people, you can attach with people, you make friends.
You can make friends. You gain knowledge. You can make friends. Real knowledge. Real knowledge you gain in offline.
Shall I speak? Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Faiz, and your point is that we in offline education we can learn the social skills, right? So, in some studies, there is a data that more than 73% students who are learning offline still they are not good in social skills. So social skills is not it's not like that you will learn offline so you can be a good social person. It depends on person. If he wants to learn social skill, he can learn wherever he want and whenever he want. More than 70% people they are not skilled. So that's the answer.
What's counter?
I think why are you speaking? He raised a question.
Yeah.
He has to
Wait,
answer.
wait,
He
wait,
has to
wait.
answer.
What
He raised a question.
Give me my I will give you answer.
But just now she said that I will not speak and you will not. And from my team.
Who says?
You don't now listen to me, everybody. We don't have much time. We can't do this whole day. So we have just 5 minutes left. So conclude your best point and let's end this debate because if we sit whole day, there will be no conclusion. Yeah. Okay. So we have lack of time because we have a batch to teach and they have work to do. So we can't be like
Today is Monday and we are
yes. So please conclude your best point.
No, sir. He has already answered the question.
Yes,
absolutely.
what is your
Not minority.
So they are not considering in majority.
You are counting some few people. I am talking about majority. Can you ignore the majority? Can you ignore the minority?
So I am not ignoring majority.
You are ignoring majority. I am talking about 350 students who were in my class, and a lot majority of them were not good.
Okay.
Not good.
Okay.
Lack of confidence.
So are you giving example of offline? Now let me give you example of online. As you are speaking, let me speak as well.
First of all, make
As you
understand.
are speaking,
First of all, make.
let me clear one thing. As you are, please.
I
और क्या? No gender equality can happen here. So, जब तुम मेरे पास आते तब तुम्हें ये सुनो, listen to me first. Listen to me first. As you are saying that many people, they are living offline, they don't know how to interact with people, they don't know how.
I didn't say majority of them. I'm talking about majority, not all of them.
Sit. As you are saying that majority of offline peoples are not enough to interact with people. So tell me, one personality. If you're talking about majority, so there is many people, they are not good enough offline, they are not good enough online. So if you are saying that offline persons are not interact with people, so you are wrong here.
Offline people.
You are saying that majority. You are talking about majority.
Okay, we have to end this because.
Point of the discussion.
So.